today we are going to see something related to App Inventor, but we're not going to make an app which is going to be very useful. It's something called the emulator. So every time we connect it to the phone to test our app, what if you don't have your phone near you? So in order to do that, we need an emulator installed in our laptop. So what's the emulator? It's a kind of a built-in phone that is in your laptop, and you can test it live on your laptop. So let's see how to do that. Just go to your browser and go to this link which I gave it in the description box. You can check it in the description box. And if you just scroll it down, you can see the install App Inventor setup software. And if yours is a Mac, you can click on this. If it's a Windows, you can click on the second one. And if it's Linux, you can click on the third one. For me, it's a Mac, so I click on the first one. And click on the first version 3.0, which is the latest one, so we need that. It's going to take some time. It is going to be installed in a few minutes, so I'll get back to you after it gets installed. Now let me just double click on this. It's going to load for some time, and you can see that it cannot be opened from an unidentified developer. And I just click on OK. But now, how to open it and how to use it then? Just right click on this and say open again. Now we can see option called open, but before it was not there. I show you again. I just double click on this, and now see the open is not there. But instead of double clicking, if I right click and say open, now it will be there. You see this open? So that's how you do that. And I just say open. I just say open, and you'll be getting an installation process like this. So I just say continue, and agree, and install. You need to enter the password. So after you enter, it's going to load for some time. And done. Less than a minute. Yeah, done. So this is how it will be after it gets installed. So you need to restart your computer in order to make this work. So let me just restart my computer and get back to you. I have restarted my computer, so let's go ahead and test our emulator. Let's go to Opera, and let's go to the app which we need to test the emulator on. Let me say connect as you say for the companion, but instead don't say AI companion, say emulator. It's going to load for some time. The first time which you do, it's going to be loading for a little bit long. After that, it will load faster. Now we can see a file is jumping over here, which means it's opening, and you can see it says emulator on that. Now it changes the icon to this. Now if you just see, this is the emulator. It's just exactly like a phone, and it's going to be starting like a phone. Also, it will load. It will say Android is starting. It is going to start app. Now after some 2 or 3 seconds, it will automatically open companion. And then it will load as we do it for the companion AI companion. And see, we got an app in the emulator. Let me press the red button. Blue, green, on color, and on color 2. It's working exactly like the app which we did it in the first time. So if you're not seeing the how to make this app, you can check out the pop-up which comes above. I'll leave the link also in the description box below. So now I would like to say something about the emulator. The emulator which you look now it doesn't look exactly like the one which you look now in the Windows version. In the Windows version, it looks like really bad, but in Mac one, it's really good. So this is the emulator which we saw today, and it cannot do a certain things. It cannot run very big size apps. That's the one thing, and it cannot tell the output, means that cannot give the output of the voice. Like we use the text to speech, and it's going to be speaking the message. It will speak the message, but the voice will not be clear at all. And it also cannot record voices, and it cannot open the camera also. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, share it to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next session.